DC by Foot offers free walking tours of the National Mall, Arlington National Cemetery, Georgetown, Capitol Hill, and beyond. We offer these tours at no upfront cost because we believe that you should be able to pay what you think a tour was worth or what you can afford at the end of the tour.
One of the best things about Free Tours by Foot is that all of the guides are professional licensed guides. We live here, we love being here when we're not guiding, we're researching. We all do this because we're passionate about it.
DC by Foot is a great way to see the city. Unlike other tours where you have to pay $40, $50 up front, you don't know what you're going to get. These tours you can go on, they're really relaxed. The guides are fantastic. You get to experience these awesome tours and then decide later how much it's worth to you and how much you want to pay.
This is a pedestal calling for grand structure. This will be the center of the new country. And it's l'enfant who decides to put the Capitol building right here on the center of the hill.
One of the things I love about these types of tours and these tour guides is their ability to fill in little bits of interesting trivia. I like the idea that people are being rewarded for the work that they're putting forward.
We also offer bike tours, food tours, and bus tours, as well as theme tours, including our ever-popular Lincoln Assassination walking tour, our Secrets and Scandals tour, and our Ghosts of Georgetown tour. Check out our free tours in Boston, Philadelphia, New York City, Charleston, New Orleans, Chicago, and now London in the UK. Pay what you like tours are tours for every budget.